Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the ultimate hack how to get even slices of bread every time. First of all, what I've always done wrong and I've recently learned is you don't cut the bread this way around. Now the best way to get even slices is actually by turning a bread like this the other way around and then cutting it. This is how simply you can get even slices of bread every time. Really good tip. And this is also fresh sourdough bread, and it is usually very hard to cut, so really good tip for you. And this knife, you can see I'm left-handed, is also really good right and left-handed usage. I really like this knife. I will also put an affiliate link underneath this video if you're interested in this knife and look at the great slices. So yeah, really nice tip for you. And yeah, here is the knife, you can see it. This is also really nice. We've just bought that. It works very well. I can highly recommend you this knife as well.